Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a male surgeon on Dress to Impress. While using the Masc Body, I'm just going to go to the masculine and I'm going to get the buzz cut hair. It's just the easiest to work with. Then I'm going to get this hat here and I'm just going to color it this color. I'm just going to scale it down until it fits kind of like where his head is. And I'm just going to move it just a little bit backwards. I'm going to just adjust this so it doesn't look super weird, so it kind of fits his head here. I think I'm going to, hold on, adjust this a little bit more. Okay, that's as good as I can get it to go. For the pants, I'm just going to use these, I think, in like a matte one and like a darker green, 2F6C52. Then for the shirt, I'm just going to get this shirt in this color. This color here. And then I'm just going to get some shoes. You can use any shoes you want. I'm just going to use these in all white. Then I'm going to also get this top here in the dirty version in that same color and then red. And then I'm going to also use gloves. The only gloves that the Masc Body can use is the cowboy one. So it's gonna look a little bit weird, but that's okay. Color it like this blue maybe, 5187BF in silk. And then you're just going to do that for everything here. And as you can see, the nails are still like protruding through the glove, so I'm just going to color that the same in silk. Let me see if there's a better shirt option. I think I'm going to use this one instead in that color. Trying to like blend it a little bit more with this. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. And then we're just going to use a mask as well here in that same green color. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.